my YouTube channel. I'm Ray, and this is hashtag Diary. And for today's episode, hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ray, and this is hashtag Diary. And for today's video, gagawa tayo ng isang challenge. Tinatawag tong pabobohan challenge with my Aloha friends. So,
Ari na!
meet my Aloha friends!
Hi!
Meet Louie and meet Earl. So, kami lang po tatlo ngayon. So, abangan nyo sa next video. Makakasama namin ang whole Aloha Barkada. And for today, kami nga ang magiging player ng pabobohan challenge. Bobo ka ba? Disclaimer guys, cum laude din sila guys. Cum laude po daw siya. So, no pressure. At sabay-sabay tayong hashtag Diary! So, ang mechanics nito, eto. Nating laro ngayon, may nahati ito sa tatlong level, ang
Easy
moderate
and difficult.
difficult. So sa tatlong levels, mayroong 5 questions na dapat paramihan kami ng tamang sagot.
Kung matatalo sa game na to, magkakaroon siya ng isang consequence. So, bale, dalawang matatalo sa overall na
Laro.
question and answer
Yes.
portion. At
Ang
mamimili
parusa ay?
yung mananalo.
Ano yung parusa?
Ang parusa ay mag-scan kami we will scan through our galleries and then with our eyes closed, and then the moment we stop scanning it, and then the last picture
Kaya mo.
we press on the pictures, we will be posting it on our social media accounts.
Kaya ngayon simulan natin dahil may special guest din tayo, hindi lang friends ko kundi ang Colis. Series para tulungan kami sa pagtatanong at pag-score. Alam na ito na! Sisimulan na namin for easy round! So kami sa baba, tayo lahat. Baba?
Kamay sa baba. First question. In Greek mythology,
Oh my God.
who is the queen of the underworld and wife of Hades?
Huh?
Five,
Easy
four,
peasy.
three,
Sorry. Try. So, Queen of Underworld. Si Persephone. Persephone. Tama. Oh! Bobo nyo ga. Bobo nyo.
Ambo.
Second question.
Second question.
Kamay sa baba.
tenga.
At tenga na.
Which house was Harry Potter almost sorted into?
Try. Gryffindor.
Now, house?
House.
Yes.
Sa half. Wala akong alam. Sa ganito.
House ni ni...
Five.
4
House katong sa...
Lalo ang ano.
Wala akong alam.
What's the answer?
Slytherin.
Bobo ako. Not a Harry Potter fan.
Yung pinag-usapan po namin pang grade 1 to 3, yung easy round. Ano nangyari?
Pang high school
Ay,
tayo.
change yung position.
Yun, super.
Kamay sa kilay. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the US?
France.
Correct!
Oh my God! Bobo nyo.
Exit.
Kamay sa ilong. Wala akong ilong. What is the rarest blood type?
AB plus.
No!
AB na ganun.
AB! May mag-AB na lang kita.
No na. Oy, bobo oh.
Kamay sa tiyan. Wala eh.
Basto.
Okay. How many bones are there in the human body?
206.
Yes!
Oh!
7!
No? Wrong po.
Slow, bobo!
So for the first round, ako yung nanalo. 3 points, 1 and 0. So let's go to another
2 points
round
na.
sa
2 points.
moderate round. Moderate
For
round.
2 points. Okay, kamay sa noo. What is the name of the actor who played Jack in Titanic?
Leonardo da Vinci. Wala ko na finish ang pan. Leonardo da Vinci.
Steal kami yun.
Wait!
Answer.
Kamay sa pisngi.
Ay, sama.
Which planet is closest to the Earth?
Venus.
And Mars.
Planet naman.
Ah,
Oh my God! Wala na kayo points. 2 points for this round. 0.
First, kamay sa dibdib. What does Na stand for on the periodic table?
Sodium.
Correct!
Sodium.
Okay.
Hindi mo kami sponsored. Sige, sige, sige. Kamay sa balikat.
Ganito. Sige. What is the name of the musical artist who sings the song Poker Face?
Lady Gaga.
Kamay sa likod. Fe is the chemical symbol for which element? Iron. Correct.
Iron oil. And for round 3, nakaupo na po kami. So, pagod na kaming nakatayo. At eto, for round 3, question number 1.
What is the volume of pi? 6 decimal places.
Oh, duha lang.
Sige, so,
3.14.
correct.
3.14 to 3.6.
3 points na rin ang round.
2.3.
3 points. So, 3.00 for this round. For question number 2.
Question number 2. Who founded Microsoft?
Ay.
I found it here.
Mistake!
Microsoft.
Why?
Go.
Wala? Bill Gates?
Yeah.
3 points for this round. 0.
Wala.
For question number 3.
Lilisi ko. Third question. Who was the first American astronaut to step foot on the moon?
Ano ka, sir?
Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong.
Sige. Correct.
3 points. All 3 na.
In the Hunger Games, how old do you have to be to enter into the drawing of the Hunger Games?
What's our question?
How old are you for you to enter the drawing of the Hunger Games? Louis.
18.
No. 15. No.
14.
No.
13!
Wala na.
0.
12!
Wala. 12.
12.
Number the bottom.
Aww!
Question. How many days are there in a leap year? Louis.
36.
Correct. Sometimes.
Okay.
Five. There's bonus question.
Pila ka points?
5 points.
Oh my gosh.
Pila
Five
points
points.
tanan?
Pila na? 8 kay
8.
Louis kay 11 Pagka kay 7.
Rain, marag na dyan mga kabos.
Wala na si Con, hindi siya mapabilkin.
Dami mo, Jeje.
This question. 5 points. two questions. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
What are the three primary colors? Balik. Hindi naman naman
Sige.
What are the three primary colors? Wala ko lang yun! Muna sa go. What are the three primary colors? Wapag ko di go! Oy, go!
Okay lang ba?
Hoy! Tama mo yan! Go! Wait sa!
May gisot na to, rin mga color.
Blue.
Mo, may gisot na to, pink.
Di ko red.
Oh, no. Basta ko
Alarm!
Sunod.
Pink.
Blue,
White,
red. Ayun na. Dili.
White!
Orange.
White!
Yellow.
5 seconds na! Next question!
Hindi na to counted, Ray.
counted.
Not counted.
Yellow di.
What city is known as a city of love? Go!
Paris.
Correct.
Ako hindi ako. Sige. Sorry, girls. For all, 16 points. Naku ako. 8 points and 7 points. So, hindi po akong bobo dito.
No, I believe that the children is the future, and I believe the children.
Uy,
Ang mga bata ay mga iba't ibang learning styles, and this is not my learning style.
And I am kinesthetic learner.
Mas gusto ko talaga ang kanta. Musically inclined learner. At siya yung bata talaga. So, thank you for...
Alam mo kami mag-learn.
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, my vlog for today. And don't forget to subscribe to
Follow my Instagram, Louis Didadi.
your YouTube channel.
Yeah, Louis Veranda.
Louis Veranda. Don't forget to follow him on Instagram, Louis Didadi. On Twitter, Louis the Ring. And for Earl Collis,
My
YouTube
YouTube
channel.
channel is here, Instagram,
Yeah.
Facebook. No
Earl
Twitter,
Girl.
please.
and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell button for more updates.
Comment down below for more videos.
Yay! Thank you.
Bye.
Hello. Imo atong portable kaan.
Bukan na behind the scene.
Thank you sa pa-drinks, Mayor.
Oy!
Matatalo, itutulak dito.
Okay.
So, okay na to.
I have bloopers.
So, sa
Thank you.